Good afternoon there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I'll be showing you this 2023 Ford Transit Custom Crew Cab. This is the short wheelbase model, low height as well. This has been fitted with a body kit to give it that more sporty look as well. I will just take you into the front of the cab now. As you can see, we have two leather seats and a gap in the middle where we can, if we go through the door here, look at the back three with matching upholstery as well. Now this van does come with 17,000 miles on the clock, and I will just pop up the tailgate here to show you the boot space as well. Now if I just get into the driver's seat here, I'll just show you around some of the conveniences. Before I do hop in though, I would just like to point out this does come with not only heated, but also electric seats as well, which if I show you here, have posture support in them as well. So when we hop into the vehicle, first of all, we do indeed have cruise control, hands-free cooling, voice assist, and that also means it comes with Bluetooth. This also comes with Apple CarPlay. It is indeed an automatic, comes with satellite navigation as well. So just going through here, we have our trip computer, speedometer, driver assist, navigation, digital audio broadcasting. That's it. And we also do have in this vehicle a electronic rear view mirror as well. And if you don't mind, I will just pop the car into reverse and show you that there is a rear view camera as well. It's just beeping at me because I've still got the handbrake on.